Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahman Rahim. I am a Muslim.
Are you Muslim? Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Чуть-чуть speak English.
Really?
No. This is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
You give me to it? Will you give me to it?
1 minute.
Hello. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. Already I have followed you. Bangladesh. Okay, thank you so much.
India.
What time is it now?
My name is Dinara.
What time is it now in Uzbekistan?
My name is.
What time? Time. Time. What time?
From Uzbekistan.
Time.
Guys.
4 a.m.
Guys.
At night. Just here in our country, Bangladesh, 6 a.m. early in the morning. I have taken Fajr prayer. I am outside home. Please look. I am outside home. Yeah. I am outside home, basically. Oh, wow. Actually, I am outside home. Yes, of course. Basically, yeah. Very early in the morning.
India music. Shah Rukh Khan, я люблю. I love you.
Oh, okay.
Shah Rukh Khan, I love you.
Basically,
Om Shanti Om.
okay. Oh, what is the name of your capital city? Capital city name. Your capital city name?
My name is Dinara.
Okay, just this is Zakaria Hussain. Muhammad Zakaria Hussain. I am to Muslim. Yes.
Oh, I am to Muslim. I am to Muslim.
Are you Muslim? Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste.
Already I have taken a Fajr prayer. Allahu Akbar. Fajr prayer I have taken recently from mosque. And then I have come here in this platform to practice English, to learn English with foreigners.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Basically, can you speak English fluent? Can you speak English?
Чуть-чуть speak English.
Little bit. Okay.
My friend.
Oh.
Little bit.
Okay. Basically, I can speak English fluent. Basically, I am a private teacher. Teacher. Yeah. Oh, most of the time, do you speak in Russian language? Do you speak? Or can you speak? Rush language. Rush.
Russia. No speaking of Russia.
Oh. Okay. Basically, what is your favorite hobby?
Speak Russian.
What is your favorite hobby? Hobby.
Music, kino.
Music.
I love kino.
Oh. Can you sing a song?
I love your music.
Can you sing a song? Are you singer? Oh. Just I can speak. Not only sing a song, but also I am a private teacher. Just I can sing different kinds of song and different kinds of Islamic ghazal. I can recite. Really. Basically, have you ever visited our country Bangladesh? Do you know? our country Bangladesh, beautiful country Bangladesh. Do you know? Do you know Bangladesh?
No, no.
Oh, just it is located
It,
next to India, close to India, close to India, next to India.
okay.
Okay. Just are you a student? Are you a student? Do you study? Student, student, student. Are you a student?
Student. Student.
Oh, really? School, college, or university? School, college, or university? Oh, okay, 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 okay. Thank you so much. Basically, your hairstyle. Look, please give me 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Your hairstyle is artificial or natural. Your hair color. Your hair color.
Hmm?
Just
Who?
color. Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Please recite me a song. Please sing a song. Sing a song. One song, please. Sing a song. Please, yeah, I like song. Yeah. What are you eating? Eating something what? Orange. Okay. Will you give me to it? Will you give me to it? Will you give me?
Music.
Yeah.
Кайсы кошылдайды sana.
Please, one song.
Uzbek?
One song. Yeah. One song.
Tamam. Okay.
Yes.
Uzbek. Кайсы кошылдайды person.
One
Кайсы
song.
кошылдайды бере bakma.
Yeah. Please recite me one song.
Uzbek music.
Yeah. Recite. Singing. Your national anthem.
Кайсы кошылдайды берсем.
Your national anthem. Just our national anthem. আমার
Uzbek music.
আমার সোনার বাংলা.
Yok.
Yes.
No. 1 minute. Shahrukhan music.
Yeah. Any kinds of song. Any kind of song. Oh, I can sing different kinds of ghazals.
No. Dur. Uzbek qaysi qo'shiq bor? Aytib bermoqchi edim. 1 minute.
Yeah, of course. Any kind of song.
Gece tinchgina yurgan ko'chamda beg'am beparvo yurgan edimda seni mavqedan uchratdim shu dam sevib qoldimmi kuyib qoldimmi devonaman devona vaslingga parvona devonaman begona. Tek senga begona. Tamam.
Nice. Excellent. Excellent.
Good.
Excellent.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, basically, do you recite any kind of surah, Al Quran from Al Quran? You can recite any kind of surah?
Surah, yes.
Surah. Yeah. Or Arabic alphabet. Arabic alphabet. Do you know?
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Okay, just I am reciting. Yes, of course. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والتين والزيتين وطور سنين وهذا البلد الأمين لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم ثم رددناه أسفل سافلين إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات فلهم أجر غير ممنون فما يكذبك بعد بالدين أليس الله بأحكم الحاكمين. Most of the time I recite these kinds of surah from 5 times prayer.
Nice.
5 times prayer. I take 5 times prayer every single day. Yes, of course. Oh, basically,
Bye.
no, please give me 5 minutes. We should practice A to Z alphabet, Arabic alphabet. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Jal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Dwat, Twa, Jwa, Ain, Goin, Fa, Kof, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya, Ye. Please recite with me. Yeah. Recite.
Then Arabic alphabet, no. No speak.
Oh, you don't know.
No speak.
You don't know?
Arabic, no. أحبك بي. بس اسمع من أحبك والله شنو بلا ما أعرف كذا. نوم بيقولن مقواس شجنا طيب. لابسة.
Oh, basically, mim, the letter mim, it has exceptional power. Mim, the letter, Arabic word. It has exceptional power. Mim. Yeah.
In this music, go.
Yeah.
You in this music, go.
Oh, gimme. Will you stay?
In
Sometime.
this music.
Yeah, yes, of course.
I'm chanting on.
Okay. Can you recite or can you hear me? Alphabet, Arabic alphabet. Please speak with me. Alif. Just pronounce karo. Pronounce. Alif, Ba, Ta. Please recite.
No. English music. In this skin.
Oh.
Music.
Okay.
Go.
I am going. Can I go back? Can I go back?
You.
Please follow me. Next time follow me. We will meet next day. Yes.
No, go.
But at present, I am very thirsty. I am very hungry. Will you give me to it your orange? I am very
Give my
hungry.
lunch.
I am very hungry.
Go.
I am very hungry. Will you give me?
Vou mind if you English no English.
Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.
Bye bye.